Topic is division, logical division and other process. Enumeration of individuals. Enumeration of individuals is the process of showing that certain individuals are members of a class. For instance, continents are divided into Asia, America, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. Enumeration of individuals is the same as the extensive definition of a word when the examples are those of individuals and not of subclasses. Logical division and enumeration of division. This distinguish comes in exam. So in logical division, first we see the enumeration of individuals. Second is the physical division. Means the division of bicycle into handle, bars, wheels, chain and seat in a physical division. Means everything is divided into small parts. Or analysis of a molecule of a water into two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen in a physical division. Next is metaphysical division. This is the division of a thing into its separate, means tone into color, solidity, weight, hard, means characteristics are given. Gold into yellowness, preciousness and heaviness. Next is verbal division. Watch into timepiece and guard. Here the two different meanings of a watch are stated. Means two different meanings of a one thing are given, then it's a verbal division. Rules of logical division. Music into classical, vocal, instrumental and film music. In this division there are three principles: being classical, being vocal or instrumental, and whether used in films or not. The subclasses into which a class is divided must be mutually exclusive. Third, the subclasses into which a class is divided must be coextensive with the class divided. Too narrow, too wide. Too narrow division means educational institutions into schools, college. This division omits some of the subclasses. That means universities. It is called too narrow division. And too wide division furniture into tables, chair, cupboards and blackboards. Division states the class of blackboards, which is not the kind of a furniture. Means sportsman into cricketer, hockey player, football players and chess player. So chess is a game which is a indoor game and others are outdoor. So it is a too wide division. The fourth is the division involves more than one step. It should proceed gradually and continuously from the highest genus to the lowest species. That is to say, the division must not be take a leap. Division non-facet saltum. And the fourth is the division of dichotomy. Means in this the contrary, opposite words are given. So here I have completed the videos of theory part of the logic. Next we are going to start the video of the Lord Denning.